Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Monday.com column types. In this tutorial, we will explore the different types of columns available in Monday.com. A powerful work operating system that enables teams to manage their work and projects efficiently. To get started, it is essential to understand that columns in Monday.com are used to display and store data in a board, which is a visual representation of a project or workflow. Each column represents a specific type of data, such as text, numbers, or dates, and can be customized to meet the unique needs of your team. There are several column types in Monday.com, including text, number, date, time, and people columns. Text columns are used to store and display text-based data, such as descriptions or comments. Number columns are used to store numerical data, such as quantities or percentages. Date columns are used to store dates and deadlines, while time columns are used to store time-based data, such as schedules or appointments. People columns are used to assign tasks or items to team members, making it easy to track who is responsible for each task. There are also location columns, which allow you to store and display location-based data, such as addresses or maps. Additionally, there are checkbox columns, which enable you to track the status of tasks or items using checkboxes. To create a new column in Monday.com, simply click on the plus sign at the top of your board and select the column type you want to create. You can then customize the column settings, such as the column name, description, and formatting. You can also reorder columns by dragging and dropping them into the desired position. Best practices for using Monday.com column types include using clear and descriptive column names, setting up columns to track key performance indicators, and using conditional formatting to highlight important data. It is also essential to keep your columns organized and up to date, ensuring that your team has access to the most current and accurate information. In conclusion, understanding Monday.com column types is crucial to getting the most out of this powerful work operating system. By using the different column types effectively, you can create a customized and efficient workflow that meets the unique needs of your team. With this guide, you are now equipped with the knowledge to create and customize columns, track key data, and streamline your workflow using Monday.com.